What's up, everyone? We're gonna get going over to Red's shop today. We got a small little job coming in, so yeah, stay tuned. All right, what's up, guys? We are in the new Murp Garage location. We're here at Red's house. He has kindly offered up half of his shop just specifically for the work side. This is where we will be doing all our knuckle building, day-to-day projects that come into the shop. We now have the space to do engine swaps, clutch jobs, reinforcements. Before it was just too hard. We had a small location. It was really hard to book jobs and get them in and out because if we were waiting on parts on one would get backed up as we couldn't get into the garage. That will no longer be an issue here. So we have lots of updates about the shop coming. We won't be doing too much talking about it on this episode, but on the next one we will be for sure, as we will be doing lots of upgrades. So we just wanted to kind of quickly introduce you guys here to the new location and let you guys know what Red's gonna be taking care of. So yeah, he is the new 50% owner of Murp Garage, and he will be doing a lot of the day-to-day stuff with me, making sure that orders get in and out, projects get in and out of the shop. So I'll kind of let him explain what he does, what he's gonna take care of, and all that good stuff.
Perfect. So on the shop side of things, I'll be overseeing pretty much everything that comes in. I'll be helping out building the knuckles with Cody. He'll take the charge in that most of the time. I'll be helping with merch, and we do have a lot of ideas in the works right now. We're testing with a couple companies, trying to get the right product in for you guys, and we'll have some more information coming about that. On more behind the scenes, I'll be helping out messaging on Instagram and talking to you guys on all of our social medias. I'll really just be helping out as much as I can, and you will most likely interact with me a lot if you deal with the company.
Like he said, we will still be heavily focusing on the knuckles. For now, we just have the E36 and E46 knuckles and the extended lower that we do, which we do have an announcement about that coming soon. We have a new prototype design coming out that I'm gonna pass off to some drivers, make sure that everyone's happy with it. I'm gonna test it myself, and Redden will be testing it. But yeah, more about that later. I don't wanna spoil that too much. Like he said, we got tons of great merch coming out. We've been spending a lot of time on that. Been setting up a Discord for the community so that everyone can connect, you know, have live reviews, whatever. But for the most part, we're gonna be trying to focus on getting a YouTube video out at least once a week. It'll probably be a little slower at the beginning as the work kind of picks up. But yeah, we'll get into a pretty good flow of dropping a video once a week at least. And we're gonna try to commit with that and give you guys whatever kind of content you're looking for. So you guys just let us know what you want to see, how-to videos, how we build our knuckles, anything really. We're just looking for you know, preferences on what kind of content you guys want to see come out of the Murp Garage YouTube. So we're looking forward to hearing from you guys on that. Leave a comment, follow. We're gonna get to work. We got some projects for the day. So we'll tap back in a little bit. So we just got Matthew's diff installed. He went from a 315 to a 391 welded. So he is hitting peaks with us on the 17th. So be his first track day. That would be pretty cool. We got John's car in the shop. He is doing a quick toe plate alignment, and we're kind of just going over the suspension on his car. Is feels kind of unplanted and unsettled. So.
Man, let me call my boy DJ Screw Up.
got John's toe adjusted here. We're gonna give him 1 second to tighten this up. All right, so what we're looking for here, we threw the toe plates on. The car came back with 5/8 inch of a toe in, which is terrible. We're looking for about 0 to 1/8 toe out. The car felt really unsettled, and that makes a lot of sense why it did feel how it did. So we got this pretty zeroed out now. We're reading a 1/16 light of 75 up front, and 74 and 7/8. So we have about a 1/16 to 1/8 inch of toe out right now, which should help this car drive a little more straight and feel a little more planted while he's on throttle trying to get into drift. Alright, so we got John's car toe plated. He's out on a test drive right now with Redden, so see how that thing feels. It was pretty messed up before. He had 5/8 inch of toe in, which is wild. Super bad tire wear, car felt like crap, so that should help a bunch. We're about to get Redden's E36 in here, get his car ready for the Spirit Peaks event. We gotta hook up his Chase Base Hydro. He's got the full line kit from them, which is super cool. Comes with everything you need. I already welded in the mount for that previously, so we won't be showing any of that. But if you guys want a how-to, I'll definitely make one for that on Matthias's car, as we will be installing one on his as well. So. Alright guys, so we got all the projects done for the day. We got Matthews's car in and out, did a quick diff swap for him. I think I explained he's hitting peaks with us on the 17th. We previously did quite a bit of work on his car. I'll try to drop some clips in here real quick of it. We did rear subframe reinforcements, all solid bushings, lower control arms, coilovers, R-tab reinforcements. Yeah, he pretty much got the whole works, and he brought it back the next time. And we did the front subframe reinforcements, motor mounts, trans mounts, oil pan gasket, oil pump nut, welded. Did quite a bit. I can't even remember the parts list for that one, but he's also got the Murp Garage angle kit with extended lowers, E90 inners with stock outers. So yeah, his car's set up, and he should have a really good time, get tons of seat time. So we will be hopefully dropping a little montage of our Spirit Peaks trip on the 17th. So be looking for that for sure. That's pretty much going to conclude this video though. Red, you got anything?
We'll drop a link to all our socials in the description below, our Discord and all of our social medias, so you can give us a follow on all of those and get a hold of us if you want to. Get a hold of us if you want to schedule some work or talk about getting some knuckles on your car.
Thanks guys, we'll see you soon.